Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm very happy to share some tips on sleep today. Sleep is very much important to regenerate energy. Sleep disorder is often a problem for people at various ages. It affects quality of life, decision making and productivity, and in many other aspects of life. Whenever I can't sleep at night, next day morning I sleep from my normal routine and my to-do list is shattered. The need for 7 to 9 hours deep sleep for an adult or an elderly person is suggested by many people, many authors, in many scientific books. This may be around 8 to 10 hours for teenage, 9 to 11 hours for school-going children, and 11 to 14 hours for 1 to 2 years old. This may vary according to age, but normally for adult people, it is taken as 7 to 8 hours sleep is required. When people are sleep deprived, they are not able to function properly, physically, mentally, and emotionally. It may aggravate other sleep disorders also and cause fatigue, lethargy, irritability, relationship problem, chances of accidents, and many other things. Happy to share with you some excellent tips I learned from Mr. Matt Walker in a TED talk. It was really fantastic, and it was discussed at length with examples and logic how sleep is your superpower, how sleep deprivation badly affects our health. Sleep affects our wellness. If you get good sleep, you can your body can be well maintained. Aging will not have bad effect on aging will not have bad effect if you can sleep well, but aging will have bad effect if you cannot sleep well. So sleeping affects memory power also. It affects learning ability. It affects brain function. It affects cardiovascular system. It affects reproductive system also. In case you can't get good sleep, you may be at risk for on-road safety while you are driving. It affects your immunity. Good sleep is required for many reasons. It restores memory. It boosts immunity system. It improves memory power of people at all ages, at all life cycle stages. Sleep loss causes cancer, may cause Alzheimer's disease, stress, cardiovascular disease, inflammation in body, tumor, laziness, and many accidents. But for sleep, do not take sleeping pill. It also affects badly on your health. Do not take alcohol or drug or caffeine before going to bed for sleep. Do not try to be a night owl for better success in examination. It affects badly. Reclaim your night with a full deep sleep. Have right temperature at bedroom when you go to bed. Go to bed at fixed time. Regularity is the king. Regularity is the king. Mind it. Go to bed fixed time as well as get up from bed also at fixed time. If possible, see the sunrise daily. Sleep requirement is not negotiable. It is not a luxury. It is essential requirement. It is biological necessity. So you must have good sleep at night at any cost. If required, don't do so many things. Don't get anxious. Don't remain too much stressed. Go to bed at being light, at ease of mind. Some tips to enjoy better sleep may be little bit free hand exercise you can do few hours before going to bed. Take dinner 2 hours before going to bed, preferably between 7 to 8 p.m. Take light dinner. Limit taking alcohol and sleeping pills. Sleeping pills are always discouraged. Alcohol and drug abuse are always discouraged. Lie down around 10 pm. The earlier it is, better it is. Go to bed in fixed time as told you and get up early. Put on loose cotton clothes as sleeping dress. Maintain comfortable room temperature by opening windows or operating HVAC system, heating, ventilating, air conditioning system at proper temperature. Keep your mobiles, tablets, laptops, other digital aids away from bedroom and out of easy reach at night. If at all it is required to take emergency calls from other parts of the world where your near and dear ones are working, one phone may be kept active in near silence and vibrant mode. If it is extremely urgent, otherwise nothing should be kept in bedroom. No mobile, no laptop, no tablet. Not to accept unnecessary calls after dinner and before starting your day in a good way at morning. No mobile, laptop, tablet should be kept on charging in bedroom when you are in bedroom. It's never advisable to let small kids sleep and seniors work in laptop in the same room. Put on window curtains and maintain bit darkness in the room to encourage sleeping. Keep a small torch, pen and near your bed. Should any idea hit your mind, you can just note down. Take care of your head pillow. It should be comfortable. Mattress should be comfortable. Side pillows should be comfortable. And you should sleep at ease. Be grateful to people who have helped you throughout the day. Use mosquito net or use mosquito spray. Although it appears to be trivial, but it helps a lot. Keep a bottle of water near to your bed. Don't wait to be thirsty to drink water. Remove any unnecessary thoughts from mind. Practice forgiveness and pray to God for peace while going to bed. Pray to God for everybody. Let everybody remain in peace. Remove any unnecessary thoughts from mind and sleep at ease. Thank you. Wish you good luck.